Hi, this is Matt with Shading Texas. I'm out in beautiful Austin today, and we're at a lovely golf course here where they've got 5 of our exterior shades. And what you can tell is that it really just hides away. You don't even really notice it on the steel posts that we have here. And I'm gonna go ahead and start running them for you. And what this is great for are these applications where they get a lot of sun and they're trying to relax. And this is a bar area here, and they sometimes bring the pool table in and things. And it really just gives it a full enclosure so that they can get away from the heat, they can get away from the bugs, get away from the wind, and in the wintertime they can get away from the cold. And it just really secures this whole area and makes it a much more comfortable space. And you can just see how they chop down and enclose the entire main bar area, and it just makes it to where this is a whole area where they don't have to worry about any sort of insects or anything like that. And really what I want you to see is how it looks from the inside, because you're able to maintain that view very clearly and still see through. And you can see here, we're going to come into this bar area and you can just see through it really well. So when you want to use this to maintain that view but get the enclosure effect, it just gives you that real protected feel. And I'm going to show you as well on this big screen here. What you've got is a very large opening. It's just under 20 feet, and we were able to do it with one single panel, so that way we don't encumber the view at all. And you can just see how clear it looks through here. I'll pop under this guy real quick, and you can see everything is still crystal clear, but you have that nice privacy effect the rest of the time, and it just makes it to where this is a much more comfortable space. And the biggest thing is that for an area like this, because you've got all the drinks and things, the bugs just want to eat this area up. But with these shades, you don't have that issue, and it can be a nice enclosed effect. And you can just see here how these shades come down and really change the entire climate in here. You can just see how clear it is when you look through this fabric. So no bugs, no sun, no issues. This is an install by Shading Texas. Thanks.